Every night fucks every day up. Everyday patches done right up. Oh God, you should match it, it's the KO. No, I like this till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. The legend. Kept at least 6 discs and the changes. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansion. The Reverend.
Hey guys, today it is Monday. I am currently editing my vlog. It's been 3 days since I started the vlog and it's Monday now. I'm drinking tea for the last couple of days, and yeah, I just wanted to add some talking into the vlog because I started out without any talking. And wait, let me put you guys down. Just share some quick life updates. Not much has changed. Okay, not much has changed actually, but I do have a part-time job now at a company. I work as a video content creator. I have been doing that 4 days a week since March, and then in summer I was like, okay, 4 days is maybe a bit too much because I don't really have time for my other things such as my social media and DJing, and so I reduced my hours to 3 days. And yeah, I just felt like I needed like some guidelines back. I don't know how you say it, but or when I was in school, I just felt like I had like a routine, and yeah, it just feels like you have something to hold on. And then when I graduated, I was like, what am I gonna do now? Everything just felt super free, which is nice, but it was also during the pandemic and I was just a bit lost, and I don't know how to say it, but yeah, I just wanted to have like some sort of stability back in life and have like a restriction or routine, and then do my stuff around it like how I used to do things. So part-time I am working as a video and content creator, and the rest of the days I am just figuring out what to do in life, and also DJing. I actually recently came back from Asia. I haven't vlogged anything, but I just shared a lot of stuff on my Instagram. It was like such a busy schedule. I went 3 weeks to Indonesia and Manila in the Philippines to tour around and attend like a wedding, and it was really, I had the time of my life. It was really fun, and I really wanted to go back. And I don't know, just every time I go to Asia, I just feel at home. Now I'm back for over a month now, back to my routine. So that's a little update. I am also releasing a product soon. I'm also currently working on that. It's a bag, and you've probably have seen it in one of my older videos. I think last year I did like a tutorial on it. It's not the mini tote bag, but it's the green bag, and I was so obsessed with the bag. I wore it like every day. I mean, the tote bag was also cute, but yeah, I wanted to have like an everyday bag, so that's what I've been like working on for you guys. and for myself. And yeah, I don't know, I've always wanted to have like my own clothing line, and I was doing like the sewing stuff, so that's what I've been working on for the past couple of months as well. I will be sharing some more stuff soon, I think, but yeah, it will be available soon for you to buy, and still need to edit a lot of stuff, but yeah, I'm slowly trying to get back into like somewhat a routine, and I just need to keep myself busy.
Take a step out, get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, grab me one low. You, baby, baby, baby. I remember empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing yesterday. I believe that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes I make no sense, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Letting it go away, think you was holding me. Choose the rest, what it will pick up in front of me.